So I'm at a truck stop now. It's on the highway halfway up to Sydney. It's fucking cold. It was 5 degrees in the van about 2 hours ago. So I'm cooking up some water to stick in my hot water bottle. Then after that I'm going to cook some veggies. But I'm going to have just next to me here is a hot, there's showers. So it's a pretty old and rough bloody truck stop. But there's a hot shower in there. So instead of having a freezing cold shower here in my van, I'm going to have one in the truck stop. However, there's no lock on the door and the door doesn't close properly, so it's going to be a bloody quick shower, I can tell you that. But I'll cook up this stuff. Oh, and on top of it being 5 degrees 2 hours ago, now that I'm cooking, you're not supposed to cook inside with no ventilation, so I've got the door cracked open and the roof open. So that's making it twice as fucking cold. Anyway, I got my new Lilo from the shop today. Cost $7, so hopefully that'll fix the problem with that bloody horrible thing I was using last night. And I bought another sleeping bag. The sleeping bag seems to be okay, but I'm going to put the second sleeping bag, the new one that goes down to not heaps cold, but down to 4 degrees. I'm going to put that one inside my other sleeping bag and see how I go with that. But I'll finish cooking this and I'll go have a shower. So my veggies are ready. I'm going to use the steam my veggies, and I'm going to use the water. I'm going to put that in my hot water bottle as well. I don't think it can hurt it. Can't be a big deal, and it'll give me more water and more heat for the night. So I don't know if you can see what I'm going to do here. Fucking trucks all over the joint. I don't know how well I'm going to sleep. Trucks in front of me, trucks behind me. Let me just work out how I'm going to do this with the food. Got to put that into that while I'm holding the camera. I think I'll just put it down for a second. So that's not bad. Let me show you. Got my bloody, what's it called? Adventure Bike Riding magazine. Gonna eat that while I eat my dinner, then have my shower. Wash my dishes as well. There's nowhere to put your clothes but on the wet floor. Well, that's it for me for today. Had my food, had my shower, washed my dishes, made my my new bed. Got my 2 sleeping bags and my new oh, you can't see it, but new floatable Lilo. Got a truck in front of me, a truck behind me. I think there's a cattle truck on the other side of me because all I can hear is cattle, I think. I'm not sticking my head out to have a look because it's too cold. Alright, See you in the next video.